Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Zoom account. So if you want to use the Zoom workspace and uh, to use that, I'm suggesting you to create the account first. So this is how you can do it. First, you need to download the apps on the App Store or Google Play Store. And after that, you can open the app. This is the Zoom app. Okay, Zoom Workspace. So what you need to do here, you can actually start joining a meeting, but you can also get started with your account here. If you want to create, you can click on the sign up button in here. Then you need to verify your age by entering your birth year. So I'm going to just write here, click on continue. And after that, here you can enter your email address, or you can also just select your sign up method at the bottom. You can continue with Google, with Apple, Facebook, and also SSO. So in here, I'm going to just using my email right here. Now tap on the continue, and here you can need to check your email for a code. So I'm going to open my email first and enter the code. Okay, so after you enter the code, you need to enter your name and set the password in here. And after you enter the password, just tap on create account. Just wait until the process is done. Here you need to, you can also enable the notifications, but I'm going to just click on not now. Okay, I'm going to just skip this part. Tap on the get started and you are done. So your Zoom account has been created. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.